Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about how to install Splunk in a Linux EC2 instance. For that, I'll go to AWS and I will create a new instance. I'm going to create it as a Splunk standalone instance, and then I will choose Linux Red Hat as my OS, and then I will choose a instant type to be T2, which is the minimum requirement for the Splunk. And now I will choose key pair. It's a PEM file, and I'm going to choose allow HTTPS and HTTP for all traffic. And here I'm going to give 30 GB as a storage, and I will launch the instance. Now let us wait for the instance to start. Refresh again. Yeah, now it is running. So we can choose this instance and we can click on connect. Now you need to go to SSH client and copy this command. And you can open a git bash, and here you can zoom in. And in the git bash, I'm going to go to the folder where my PEM file is stored. In my case, it is downloads, and I'm going to paste the command to connect to EC2 instance. Let us provide yes, and yeah, it is connected to EC2 instance. Now I will change to root user, and then I'll add Splunk as a user, and I will add a group for Splunk. It says it is already existing, but we can ignore it. And now I'm going to create a directory called /opt/Splunk. Now I'm going to change the owner of this particular directory. So here I'm giving change owner, and this R indicates the recursive, like all the files and directory inside the mentioned directory. It should change the owner, and this first Splunk indicates the user, and the second one indicates the group. So which is both Splunk and Splunk here, and I'm going to mention the directory name. Yeah, we can try to test it. So we don't have any files in it. That's the reason we are not seeing anything. And I'm going to install wget command. With this command only, we are going to install Splunk. We'll give yes. Yeah, I'm going to clear the screen so that it will be easy to follow up. Now we are going to change to Splunk user. For that, I'm going to give sudo -Splunk, and I'm going to go to Splunk directory here. For that, cd/home/Splunk. Now we need to get the wget link from the Splunk. I'm going to the Splunk website, and in the products, I'm going to choose free trials and downloads. And here I'm going to choose this get my free trial, and we have download options for various operating system. I'm going to choose Linux, and I'm going to choose .tgz for Red Hat. I'm going to copy this. Okay, going to paste it here. It is getting installed. Now we need to extract the installed file. For extracting, I'm going to use the tar command, tar-xvf, and I'm going to copy this particular, paste it, /opt/. It will extract all the Splunk related files in this particular directory. There is also. And now I'm going to go to cd/opt/splunk/bin to start the Splunk. So ./Splunk space start, accept license. I'm going to give enter. It will ask for admin username. I'm going to give it as admin, and password we need to give. Providing the password. Make sure you remember this password. It is required when you log in into Splunk. So it is starting the web server. In the meantime, we need to open the port in the EC2 instance. For that, we need to go to instances and select the particular instance, and we can go to security, and we need to launch this wizard. And here you can click on edit inbound rules, and you can add rule. Here we are going to put 8,999. I'm going to choose this one. It's only for training purpose. So I'm going to save this one. So once saving, and it is completed here as well. And now we need to enable the boot start. For that, I'm going to exit as a, let me clear the screen first. So I'm going to exit as a Splunk user. I need to be a root user to enable the boot start. So for this, I'm going to /opt/splunk/bin/Splunk enable boot start user Splunk. So this command, it's going to start the Splunk whenever the EC2 instance is started as a Splunk user itself. So the Splunk installation has been done and boot start has been initiated. Now we need to check if we are able to access the Splunk frontend. So for that, I need to go to copy the IP address of the particular server, and I need to go for 8000 port here. Now we are able to see the front end. So we can enter the username and password. once you enter it, you will be able to see the Splunk. So this is the installation of Splunk in the Linux EC2 instance. Thank you for watching.